Okay, I want to show you this GeoGebra activity that uses the same idea as Miss Olker's idea of the rain falling on the function that's above it. So anyways, there's this graph here, this function f. Now it's cubed. We don't even do cubed functions yet, and we don't till next year. But if you type in 0.1 over 5x cubed, 0.2 minus 1.2x squared plus 2, it makes this really interesting curve that looks like two parabolas together. We don't have to know anything about it other than it's f. This brown function is f. But the straight line is just y is equal to x, 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 2 and whatever at y equals x. It's the line y equals x, so that's really easy. But how do we do this? Well, this thing, instead of rain, it's snow. And the question is, for what values of x is f greater than f of x greater than g of x? And what you want to do is you want to find the x values where the red function is above. We're comparing the y values here, which it's saying where is the red function above the x function. And this is kind of cool. You can sort of play with this thing, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. You grab on any x value, see it snows. It only snows on the top one. For this area, the line G, that's the blue one, is G. If the snow came down, it would get caught by this G. But look what happens. Look what happens. It's as we move it along, now the snow is going to fall. If there was snow, it would be falling on F. But now it's falling on the line. It's falling on the line. And now it's falling on F. So what does this tell you, this whole thing tell you? In fact, let's keep going a bit further here so we can see clearly. Okay, there we go. So the idea is the snow fell on top of the line right here. And where is F greater than X? Not here. G is bigger, the line's bigger, because that's where the snow would fall. It's bigger right in this interval right here, not equal to them, but right in the interval from this funny value of negative 1.53, right from there all the way to 1. That's when the red function was on top. And then it went below. The snow would fall on here. And only when you get up to this value, and it's just because this function's weird, where do they equal each other? At 6.53. Now the snow is falling on the red function, you see, and not the blue line. Here it was the blue line. That's why F is less than G here. Where is F less than? So the answer, where is F greater than G? Where is the red line, the red function above? Well, it's between right here, minus 1.53 and 1, and right between anything greater than 6.53. You can play with this thing in GeoGebra, and I just think it's kind of fun because you can look at it exactly the x values, see where it's true. It shows the intervals, and you just have to think of the snow falling on top. And I guess snow, rain, it's all the same thing.